Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create this fashion designer outfit and dress to impress without VIP. Okay guys, first of all, you can choose this hairstyle and also this one, and then you're going to color it with this brown color, and then you're going to put on this bracelet and color it black, and you're going to put on the sunglass, make it black for the frame, and put on this item, make it black, and this ribbon, make it black, and then this earring. Okay, and then the next one, I'm going to select this item, and we're going to make it toggle 3, and we're going to apply this pattern. Okay, done, and I'm going to select this item, and we're gonna make it thick. And then guys, you can put on this hat, and for this hat I'm going to apply this pattern for the first selection, and for the next selection I'm just going to make it black. Okay, like this guys, and I'm going to combine it with the other accessories. For example, this one. Okay, I'm going to apply the same pattern, this one, and for the second selection, make it this pattern as well for the third selection, and for the last selection, I'm going to make it black. Okay, done. And I'm going to go back to this area, guys, sorry. And I'm going to put on this corset, and we're going to make it toggle 1. Okay, and I'm going to apply this pattern, and then I'm going to go to the changing room. Okay, here guys, I'm going to select this item, and I'm going to make it this color for the first selection and also the second selection. Oops, sorry. I'm gonna choose toggle 3. Right, and I'm going to put on this skirt, and for the first selection I'm going to make it this color, you guys, and then I'm going to select this skirt. I'm going to choose skirt only, and I'm going to apply this pattern. Then I'm going to go to the skirts item, and I'm going to select this boot, and I'm going to make it black. Okay, it's done, and sorry, I forgot something from here. I'm going to select this jeans, and we're going to make it black. Okay, and go back to the changing room, guys, sorry. I forgot to put on this leg warmer, and I'm going to make it this color. Alright, and this is for the final result. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create this fashion designer outfit and dress to impress. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.